This is what I'm talking about when I say plant something. Lovely, beautiful jackfish here. Alright, my viewers. We need hook up on the fish them. Not true. Jade nuts. Beautiful sunshine. These are all my ingredients. Yeah, my viewers.
Jamaican farmers. Hot.
Jamaican farmers. Hey.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Welcome back to the channel. This is what I'm talking about when I say plant something. You know what I mean? When you're at home looking about something, you don't have to run to the market. That's what I'm saying. So trust me, my viewers and subscribers, stick around to see what's going on right here in my home, right in my backyard. All right? Stick around. Yes, my viewers, as you can see, I have some lovely, beautiful jackfish here, all right, in the Sunday morning here. So right now, yeah, I'm going to prepare some things to look about the little din, all right? So stick around to see what's coming next. All right, my viewers, you don't know, it's all about fish, so I'll check the chocho tree, yeah? Check the chocho tree. All right, nice, yeah? Yeah, man. I check the chocho tree because I want a chocho, but I don't want it well too full, I want a half fit chocho to put on the fish. Alright, my viewers. See? So, yeah, man. When I say plant something, alright? So, I get the chocho, alright? So, yes, my viewers, I don't know, I draw a little piece of scallion. Yeah, over in the little farm there. Yeah. Little knickknacks. I draw up one little garlic. Yeah. So right now, I'm heading off towards a next plantation. Yeah. Which part me I'll get some okra. Yes, my viewers. Because we need some okra on the fish them, don't it? Yeah, man, we need some okra on the fish them higher. Yeah, we need okra on the fish them, not true? Right, so, and guess what? We need a coconut, And we're right in the spot. Stick around. Yes, I. Looking at jade nuts. Jade nuts. Alright? Yeah, man, nuts on it. See there? Yes, my viewers. Everything in living colors. You need a grapefruit. Now worry yourself, grapefruit there. But guess what? My viewers, I'm going to check out the okra tree them. Yeah, grapefruit tree, grapefruit ready. Yeah, man. Grapefruit is on tree, alright? As you can see, beautiful sunshine. Okay? Yeah, my viewers, heading to an next plantation nearby. Yeah? Heading to an next plantation. This is the okra plantation. See? At the okra plantation, my people. Yeah? This is the okra plantation. Okra plantation, my viewers. Yeah. Yeah. With the pan plantation, my viewers. Yeah, man, when we do a plantation, we don't only pick the green one, we pick the dry one them also. Yeah, because sometimes I have to put aside a dry one. Alright? So yes, my viewers, now look. Some okra for the fish. Yeah? Look, some okra for the fish. My viewers, as you can see. As you can see, my viewers. As you can see, my viewers, okra. I'm on the hooker farm, alright? Yeah? Yeah man, look too okra for the fish. So what I say? I look too okra for the fish. Whoa! 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 Look what's going on with people. Look what is going on here. Yeah. Look what is going on here, my viewers. A lot of dry one here. Yeah? Yeah, my viewers. Yeah, my viewers. Those are very hard. So we leave those for planting. Alright? Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. How tall is the okra tree? How tall is the okra tree, my viewers? Yeah, some is very tall. Yeah. Some is very tall, my viewers. And some is very short. Yeah, my viewers. Sometimes we have to pull them down to get one half. Oh, shucks. That one is gone away back from me. Yeah. Yeah, my viewers. Okra, my viewers. Okra is everywhere. Okra is everywhere, my viewers. Okra is everywhere, my viewers. Okra is everywhere, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. Okra is everywhere, my viewers. Okra is everywhere, my viewers. Okra is everywhere, my viewers. Alright, my viewers. Yeah, inside the okra farm. Yeah, find some okra, you know. Time to leave the farm. Go get my pot ready. Yeah. Yeah, my viewers. So when I say plant something at home, I mean plant something at home. Yeah. Right, that's the thing there. If you don't plant, you're go hungry. If you're hungry, you might be drop. And if you drop, you're going to sin. And if you sin, you're going the other side of the bridge. And you don't want to go the other side of the bridge. Yes, my viewers. Nesberry tree, Nesberry tree. Nesberry tree, yeah? Nesberry tree, yeah? Yeah, my viewers. Stick around to see what's coming next, alright? Yes, my viewers. These are all my ingredients for my fish. Alright, as you can see, yeah, as you can see, the first one, orange peel, sea moss, garlic, the best of the best, pimento seed, onion, chocho, okra, the coconut milk, carrot, turmeric, ginger, my salt, honey, pepper, cucumber, my browning, fish seasoning, my scallion, and my thyme. Alright, this is what mankind need, thyme. Alright, over here, my cup of tea. Yes, this is leaf of life and lignum vitae. Alright, yeah. No sugar added, just a little honey. So yes, my viewers, that's my menu. About to go in the heat right now. But I have to do some scaling first and seasoning up my fish to get it ready. Alright? So stick around. Jamaican Farmers Hut coming at you. So yes, my viewers, as I said before, you have to stick something into the ground. So what I'm saying, you have to plant. Right? If you don't know how to, you just go on YouTube and type in how to plant carrot. You know what I mean? How to plant bell peppers. It is much easy. But guess what? If you want to watch a next video about farming, you can watch this one up here. Or not, you watch this one over here. Alright? My name is Ever Slick. I'm going to fry my fish now. Get them steamed down properly. Yeah? Peace. I'm out.